some sort of
thank you, Your Excellency, the French Ambassador to Fiji, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me much pleasure, and I'd like to actually thank the Ambassador for organizing this first Franco-Fijian business forum. I think it is very important, as His Excellency highlighted. There are a number of opportunities that actually do exist in Fiji, in particular for French companies. And fundamentally, this is driven by a couple of factors, one of them being that we now have an economy that's been growing unprecedented for the past 9 years. This is not by any sort of potluck. It's essentially because of a particular set of policies and vision that's been led by our Honourable Prime Minister that's been put in place. We put this place quite a few years ago, and we're now seeing the fruits of that. And again, that is also been propelled by the fact that government is looking outside the box, thinking outside the box. So, for example, many of the previously government services are now being outsourced. A very classic point is that, for example, road making in Fiji, it was all done in-house. And we've now outsourced it through the Fiji Roads Authority. And we now see New Zealand companies, but we see very strongly, as I've said to His Excellency the Ambassador, a lot of potential for French companies to come into that space too. Of course, Airbus is now with Fiji Airways. We hope that they will sharpen their pencils even further when we look at other wide-bodied aircraft, as we know that there's a bit of a tussle between the A350s and 787s, and we really hope that Airbus will actually step up to the mark. So there's enormous potential, and the reason why that is happening is because of the fact that the government, the policies are actually thinking outside the box, is driving more private sector participation. In fact, I've just come back from a meeting, just finished from a meeting where we're looking at, as announced, in public-private partnership in the medical services. And we're working together with the World Bank and IFC in that respect. And again, that will provide an opportunity for other Pacific Island countries to be able to benefit from a PPP that offers full tertiary medical facilities in the Pacific that has never been offered before. So again, it's also an opportunity for the residents in French territories to participate in that space also. Ladies and gentlemen, I think it is somewhat amiss that we have not to date had a Franco-Fijian business forum, and perhaps because there was this old way of thinking that our relationship is only at the diplomatic level, at the international level. We participate in things like, for example, the climate change. Of course, as you know, Fiji has had the benefit of being the presidency, holding the presidency of COP23. The Honourable Prime Minister currently is in Bonn, in the sessional meetings that is being held in Bonn. But of course, I'd like to congratulate France in that respect for coming up with the Paris Agreement, where we had the global consensus. That is, of course, somewhat of a threat to that global consensus, given that people are thinking somewhat differently. But I think we should not be dissuaded by that, because there is an overwhelming majority thinking that we need to continue with the principles and indeed the philosophy of the Paris Agreement. And in that respect, I think there's a lot of opportunities again with the transfer of technology that has been developed in countries like France in the area of, for example, renewable energy. And again, FEA is talking to a French company in that respect, how we can not only transfer technology, but also there's business opportunities in that respect. Fiji has recently listed its first ever green bonds on the London Stock Exchange. And so again, it's an opportunity for the private sector to be able to contribute in that space. Generally, countries in the Pacific have a more focus on adaptation as opposed to mitigation, because we are more at the forefront of the coalface of, bearing the brunt of climate change. So we need to have a lot more focus as far as adaptation is concerned. And we've always seen a dearth of input in the adaptation space. So we have to actually be clever, and we have to be smart as to how we can attract private sector participation in the adaptation space. We generally see a lot more resources in the mitigation space. So by launching the green bonds, we are allowing the private sector an opportunity, an avenue to be able to contribute to that, but also at the same time make some money for themselves too, but helping us out too, because we do require the funds to be able to put in place measures to ensure that we have resilience and we have and reduce the vulnerability in our economy. Some of you have been here, you would know that we've just recently had 2 cyclones back to back within a week. Obviously at the same time we need to ensure we develop various insurance products, whether it's parametric insurance products, whether it's household insurance products for crops and households and various other sectors, even including infrastructure. So again, the opportunities for example, French insurance companies and reinsurers in that respect. So the Governor of the Reserve Bank is here. We're talking about various other measures, including areas such as the national health insurance space. We think there's a lot of opportunities there, and because the government's philosophy is we need to be able to partner with the private sector to come up with smart solutions. So I look forward to this forum actually facilitating that way of thinking, the new way of thinking government has adopted, and we look forward to this forum providing a lot of input, drawing those types of conclusions that are absolutely necessary to ensure that we forge ahead by providing opportunities not only for French companies but also Fijian companies. But overall, from our perspective, given the dynamics, we expect to benefit a lot more from French participation in the public sector space in Fiji. So thank you very much, Your Excellency, for coming up with these initiatives. I'd like to thank all of you for being here. And I'm hopefully that in the next 2 or 3 meetings we'll see even larger numbers, and more so we see a lot more runs on the board at the grassroots level. Thank you very much. Thanks.
Thank you. And it's a fabulous idea. Very good idea. I've never seen it, but I've never seen you invested in this. Positives. And they do business in New York time in the new territory for 5 years, and as their business grows, unbroken the camera.